Okay, add a website icon to your home page.
So what am I talking about here?
Good question.
I go to geeksontour.com a lot.
Why?
Don't you?
Oh, I do.
So instead of having to open up a browser and type in geeksontour.com, I want it to be an icon on my home screen like that right there. That takes me to geeksontour.com. So I'm going to delete that and show you how I did it. Step 1, on the iPhone, you have to use Safari to do this. And you go to geeksontour.com. Then you tap the share button, the square with the up arrow, and scroll down until you find add to home screen. I just want it to say geeksontour.com and add. There it is. And it's using, hopefully the website you want has chosen their little icon. So there it is on my home screen. That's with the iPhone, iOS. Open in Safari, tap share, and add to home screen. On the Android, it's basically the same thing, but you use Chrome and you find the website. So here I have my icon for Geeks on Tour, and I will remove it and show you how I get it back. Open up Chrome, go to Geeks on Tour, and tap the 3-dot menu in the top right and add to home screen. And once again, you can make it say anything you want here. I certainly don't want it to have all those words. I just want it to say geeksontour.com. Add and add. Shortcut has been added to home screen. Now it added it to the last home screen, so I can drag it to whatever screen I want. I'll drop it off right there. So that's how to add an icon for a website to a home screen on Android.